Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. Today let's check out a very easy solution if you want to delete your Facebook account to your PC. So if you're ready to leave the world at Facebook, whether it's for privacy or just a digital detox, deleting your account is a big move. So remember, this doesn't just delete your profile, it wipes out your messenger history, your photos, and any groups you managed. So stop before you delete. Check if you use Facebook to log into applications from Spotify, DoorDash. So if you delete Facebook first, you might get logged out of those accounts, and changing those logins to an email address report proceeding might be really tricky. So the next thing, of course, to be focusing on is into navigating to the main account center. So you wanted to first log into your Facebook into your computer, right? Once you are logged in, the next thing to do is to click into your profile picture at the top right corner, and directly inside here from the drop down menu select the settings and the privacy, and you might be finding directly in them. On the left hand side bar you can see the Meta Account Center when you clicked into settings. So here is my Meta Account Center. I'm going to close this. I'm going to click directly inside here, and we have here the Meta Account Center. So click on the box opened your cross-platform settings. Inside the account center, click into personal details. Inside personal details, I want to look out for the option that says account ownership and control. Just like that, you want to select the option that says deactivation or deletion. So you'll have two choices. You can select delete account for permanent removal and click into continue. Now, if you are the soul of an administrator, and in any Facebook page they will be deleted to this too. If you want those pages to stay alive, you must appoint a new administrator before this step. So Facebook will ask why you're leaving. You can select a reason or just click to continue. So this is your last chance. I highly recommend clicking download information here to save a copy of all your photos and posts before they actually vanished. So one final confirmation is that for security reasons you must re-enter your Facebook passcode and click into the option that says continue. This is it. So you click into the option that says delete, your profile is now hidden from the public. And just like Instagram, you have 30 days to change your mind. Of course, if you change your mind. If you log back in during this month, the deletion canceled. After 30 days, the data starts being wiped from Meta servers permanently. So basically, that would be actually it. You are officially off the grid. If you are looking for a safer way to stay in touch, check out more videos on the best private messaging application. So every time you want to make sure that here continue with the deletion, you're actually good to go. Permanently account deletion process, go for the option that says continue. If you sign in inside the 30 days process, your account will be renewed once more, and of course you needed a cost to do this process once again totally from scratch. So that is actually it. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We want to see more great tools how you can get started with these elements directly inside Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.